We are sorry, Seeing Kids emergency broadcast from the nuclear strike from the country has been deaf and living us. Seeing Kids the channel shows will be closed down in Utim forever. Some reason with the animal with the deathly and hurtly. Please stand by the government of the scene.
Warning: the emergency alert from the nuclear strikes in country has been deathless and the creature with the wildlife and the nuclear bomb to planning death with hurtings to creepy scared, but having it to dies to nothing killers some criminals death to guardian of the government.
Warning and attention, Seeing Kids emergency broadcast to nuclear attacks to criminals deaf and living. Please do not recommended. If you don't call the emergencies. Why as a Seeing Kids nighttime has been criminal. This is the ending. The last final of the Seeing Kids is switching to Kids. Seeing is switching over to the Seeing 4 Kids and Seeing 4 Kids. And now it's time to say goodbye.